So people have been asking me, Marsha, when are you going to make a video on ChatGPT and AI so it can help us create our content and create it faster, save time, so we can continue to build our business. So today on this video, that is what I'm going to talk about, how you can use ChatGPT. The rave have been about ChatGPT for your content and actually to create an entire marketing plan. So if that is something you are interested in, let's dive in. Well, hello, awesome entrepreneurs. As you know, on this channel, we give tips and tools and strategies on branding and living your best life. So today I want to get into ChatGPT and how you can create content that would actually suffice for your entire marketing campaign. So if you like this channel, and I hope you do, I hope you give us a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, subscribe, ding, 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 and every time we do a video, you will get notified. So what's all of the rave about ChatGPT? Well, if you are an entrepreneur, small business owner, creator, AI is here to stay, but it's great because AI is artificial intelligence, as you know, and ChatGPT is one of the most popular ones, and it is a robot. But AI and ChatGPT will do exactly what you tell it to do. That's why you have to know how to use it correctly, and you have to know what to put into it. So when it comes to using ChatGPT, which I like to say it is an idea generator for content. So if you are a marketer or a business owner, of course you need to have a social media strategy. You need to have a presence. You need to be on email. Email is non-negotiable, and you may have other things, and you can use ChatGPT for everything: your website, your email, your social media, your blog, a podcast, even videos like this. So let me give you a few steps on how to go about using it for content to get your presence out there and create content that engages your ideal audience. So this is what I do when I'm teaching my clients. I don't use it that much because I just come up with my own ideas. You know, as a writer, I do, but sometimes I do if I need a little bit more help. So number one, you go to ChatGPT. You can download that for free. There is a paid version, but right now you can just use that and play around with it. And so number two, I like to say, have your intention for the week or the month, however you plan on doing your content. For example, if I want to talk about how to build a profitable brand this week, right? And I'm going to put it maybe on my social media, or I may do a blog on it, or I may send an email out on how to build a profitable brand. Well, number two is I can go to ChatGPT, and I like to have my pen and my paper because I'm old school, or you might use your phone. And I'm jotting down ideas. And so you may go into ChatGPT and be very specific when you tell it what you want, because it's just a robot and it just gives you what you say. So if you just say, oh, how can I build a profitable brand on social media? Now ChatGPT will give you some information, but if you say something like this, how do I build a profitable brand as an entrepreneur in the field of marketing in an informative tone? Now you've given ChatGPT a lot more to work with, and so it's going to give you something that's more specific. Then you can take it another step, and you can say, can you give me a post for Facebook on how to build my brand as an entrepreneur in the tone that is educational. And so now you're giving it more information, and so you can actually ask it for an email script. And then you can say, give me a subject line for an email. And you want to be more specific when you ask for a subject line. So in actuality, you can get a subject line, you can get a script for an email. Then you can say, well, give me 5 call to actions that I can put in the email for my audience who's going to read it. So now it's going to give you call to action. Now you can even ask it for an Instagram post, but I always say be very specific, and it will even give you hashtags, because we know with Instagram and the other social site, hashtags are very important, and they're not dead yet, and they help us to grow our business. Also, they help us to get followers. So you can use this content, what I like to say, this content idea generator as an assistant. And when I say that, I mean, don't just copy and paste, okay, what ChatGPT gives you. Use it as ideas. Put your own ideas in it. Change some words around. Don't lose your voice. And I like to tell my clients, when you are posting on social media, or you're writing in a blog or email, be conversational. So many times when I'm posting, I will write in first person and say I. And it shows my voice. It shows me as a human. So you don't want to just become this robot, right? You want to keep your own voice. So I say use ChatGPT as an idea generator, as a time saver, because it will give you content. And then number 3, you have a plan. So once you sat down, you've gone to ChatGPT. Number 2, you're thinking about what's your theme for the week and you're putting in information. Then number 3 is you need to have a plan and a strategy for putting that content out there, whether it's on your social media or your email, your blog. But don't forget, social media is not a one-way street. Social media is a two-way street, right? And you need to have time for engagement. And I like to say, engage with your followers or new followers at least 10 to 15 minutes a day. Maybe find 5 or 10 and engage. Look at their posts, comment on their posts, look at something that they've done, make a comment about that, or let people know that you like something that they're doing, and you're following them. So you have to engage also when we're talking about building our brand. ChatGPT, other AI software, it will help you to, I like to say, stay consistent, because something that would have taken you hours to do, now you can do it in minutes. And so it helps you to stay consistent with your content. So don't forget, you can use this idea generator for your social media posts, for your email, your blog. You can even ask it for ideas for a podcast, a video script, because you should show up and show your brand at different times, whether it's on Instagram Live or Facebook Live. It's just so many things you can do with content to grow your business and to build your brand online. And another thing that ChatGPT will do to help you, it's going to help you build that brand through content. And that's how we attract our ideal audience. Branding comes before marketing. Now that's another video that I need to do, but branding comes before marketing. You want to know, what do I want to be known for? You want to know, who do I want to serve? What problem does my product or my service solve? And what results are my clients going to get? And that's what you build your brand around. And then your brand becomes your reputation. Your brand is how people feel about your business. It's everything. So you never stop branding. You never stop building a brand. And ChatGPT is there to help you to build it or rebuild it or continue to build it or be consistent. And if you know anything about me, I like to say the 3-day plan is enough. You don't need to be on social media every day. And you don't need to be on every site, okay, to build a great brand. And so now you see how ChatGPT can create your entire marketing plan. You do it 3 days a week. You rinse and repeat, and you just grow your brand, grow your business, attract your ideal audience, increase your impact and income, and close sales consistently. So I hope that this video has helped you. If so, I hope you give us a subscribe. We're trying to grow our channel. And every week we're going to bring on tips and tools and strategies for you to help you build your brand, grow your business. And we're going to talk about lifestyle, because we want to definitely live the life that we want to live by design. So don't forget, you are the secret sauce to your success.